Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. How are you? Just a little headgear for the coils. It has the band in the front and elastic in the back with a toggle to tighten it however you like, and the pleats up here, and a little space for the length of hair instead of just a regular bonnet that sits so tight. How you like? How you like? So I made this one. Oh, let me turn around so you can see the back. Let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay, okay. So I've had it on all night. See what it does here. Let's see what it does. Okay, okay. I sleep hard too, y'all. I sleep real hard. There we go. So this is the toggle in the back, how you can tighten it. Let's get this day started. Reapply because I want to, not because I have to. I'm going to put the headgear on so that you can see how to place it on. But yeah, I got to get ready for the day. So let me get this stuff on. Okay, let me show you how I put it on. Loosen the toggle, and I have a knot here at the end so that it doesn't come off. Stretch it open. Get that hair in there. And just tighten it in the back with the toggle. Here we go. Saw my hair in there? Oh. There you have it. Have a great day. Or evening. Or night. Or afternoon. Whatsoever.
As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.